Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the bumper upside down. We're gonna remove all the accessories. So basically all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna start off on this side. It's gonna be the lower valance. I'm gonna take off the reflectors. This comes right off. I'm gonna take off the other reflector. Now I'm gonna take off the bonus portion. All you gotta do is go right here and press down on it and then push it out of the hole. So you actually can pull up on the bumper itself, and that thing just comes right off. Got that, I guess like the license plate holder off. We're gonna put all the accessory back onto the new bumper. So make sure whenever you guys put this on its painted portion, you have a soft padded surface, or it's gonna scratch the paint itself. So I'm going to start off with putting the reflectors on. So there's like a little guide right here for you to make sure that you guys are putting it in right. There's another guide right here. So you just want to hand tighten it. You don't want to tighten it too much because then you'll break the plastic, I guess like support where you're putting the screws inside of it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put on the other reflector, same way we did the other one. Use those guides to make sure you're putting it in right. So once you get it in those pins, you're good to go. we're gonna put that license plate holder, or some people call it a lower valance. Make sure these plugs are out of the way. And you can start off with one side, putting that in. Just like that. So take your time, don't rush this portion, because again, you're messing around with the painted portion of the bumper. You don't want to slip. So make sure the bumper goes underneath these lights. Once that's on, you don't have to push it all the way in, because we're gonna go ahead and pound this from the front and get this this bracket really secure. So now we're gonna put those screws in. So remember, use that guide point right here. Make sure that's in there. Alright. So now we're going to turn the bumper around. Then you can push it down. So when you hear it click, it's pretty much in there. Alright, now we can go ahead and install the bumper. If you guys like this video, go ahead and turn on the push notification, hit that like button, and also if you guys need anything for your vehicle, go ahead to ReveMoto.com for any of your pre-painted auto body parts. Thank you.